Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always tuning in to cook with me. If you are new here, you are welcome. I appreciate all of you. In today's video, I will show you how to prep egusi for storage using the wet method, which will save you time when next you are cooking your melon. And in the part 1 of this video, I already showed you how to prep your melon or egusi for storage using the dry method. You can check the link in the description of this video. And please, my friend, don't forget to like my video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe so that you will get to know anytime I post videos on this channel. Thank you so much, and let's dive in. Grab your apron, let's start cooking. All right, we have our melon here, which we call egusi. Is dry. I have a bowl here and I pour the egusi inside. This melon is about 2.5 cups and it's already prepared using the first method that I mentioned. So I add a little water just to make it wet. And I'll scoop out the egusi into my blender. Add a little water to the level of the melon. Don't worry that I mentioned melon, I mentioned egusi. Melon is the English name, and egusi is the name in my local dialect. So, it's time for me to blend, and I'll blend it to smooth. As you can see the thick consistency, this is the way it should look. It should not be too watery so that you will get the best crumb. And now after blending, it's time for us to cook. Get a pot on the fire, add a little water, and now you can bring in the blended melon. Ensure you scoop out everything and use a little water to rinse it, as you can see me do, so that you have everything in there. Allow to cook on a low heat and gently stir occasionally to avoid it burning. As you can see, it's already forming the crumbs. We need a little patience here to achieve the right crumbs. Please take note that when blending the melon, you use little water so that the consistency will be very thick. I add a little more water and continue cooking. As you can see, the liquid content there looks milky. It shows that it is not yet properly cooked. I leave it for some time to cook. Then after a few minutes, oh my goodness, can you see that oil-like thing on the top of the water, the liquid there? That shows that this melon is cooked already. So we just allow the water to dry up. Whenever you see the oil oozing out on top of the liquid, you know that the melon is well cooked and the crumbs well formed. Wow. I can't wait to cook my next cramped egusi with this, my prepared egusi. See now, the water content is dried up. This melon is ready and is ready to be off the fire. So I off the stove and allow to cool down. Let's allow it to cool down properly. Now, after some hours, my egusi is cool now. Can you see? This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So even when I return from office, within minutes, I will prepare egusi soup using this prepped one. So I get a container. You can use any container that has cover and scoop it in to level, and I'll cover it up. I use another container because that first one will not contain everything, and scoop it out into the container until everything is finished. And that is it. Wow, it's beautiful, it's fine, it's delicious. Call it anything. Did you like my recipe? If you have watched to this extent, it means you love it. Please kindly give it a thumbs up, share with your friend, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, how do you feel about this recipe? Will you be trying it? Please store this in your refrigerator or your deep freezer to preserve its freshness. Don't forget to watch the first part, the dry method. I'll leave the link in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.